Don't you get it? Don't any of you get it? None of this matters! None of it! It's fake! That building, that's fake! This street, it's fake! It's all a lie!
There are numerous ways to journey to other worlds, or the astral plane. No OBE, NDE, or the insane paralysis that Darius teaches. He wants you to enter the Archon's objective realm. Just be aware. My approach, while the most effective I've discovered, is also the most challenging to master. However, it allows you to remain fully conscious and aware, just as you are now. Unlike OBEs, you do not need to stay still and try not to scratch a million itches that suddenly appear out of nowhere for a long period of time. There is no floating above the body or hitting a barrier. I do it by gaining lucidity in the zombie world, what people refer to as the dream world. Before diving in, let me explain the zombie world. Unlike this world, that construct bends to our will, though not entirely. Safeguards prevent us from longing to go home or dismantling the Matrix. Such thoughts are deliberately blocked outside the Earth realm to keep our infinite nature at bay. In the zombie world, we're under a potent anesthetic field, heavily sedated. A scenario unfolds, and we engage with it as if it's real, just as we do in this world, but we are not conscious and self-aware. It's akin to people here under the influence of heavy drugs, participating in events without true awareness or being fully conscious. They take part in whatever scenario is playing out without being aware. When they come out of it, they don't remember anything, or they have a vague recollection of events, exactly like when we return from the zombie world. Con. Structure. We are being conned. The lengths they go to keep us under are absolutely insane. Many of them play roles in whatever scenario is taking place in the zombie world. I caught a few of them. I call it a zombie world because, like zombies, we are not aware of ourselves. We move, react emotionally to what we see, and make noises, speaking without true significance, driven by instinct. In the zombie world, we are zombies there, moving and reacting under a potent anesthetic field, unaware of our infinite nature. There are many methods of gaining lucidity in the zombie world. You must explore as many of them as possible on YouTube, without overthinking, sense which one resonates with you. One example is checking if you are dreaming throughout the day. Ask yourself, am I dreaming now? Touch a table, a wall, a door, and so on. Continuously check if you are dreaming throughout the day, every day, until it becomes almost automatic. Then, you will do it automatically in the zombie state and wake yourself up. I have been to worlds most people would never believe, let alone comprehend. So, try to gain lucidity in the zombie world, and as soon as you do, command full awareness now, so you'll be fully aware as you are now. If you wish to remain unseen during your travels, command invisible to all things now, to phase out of sight. Nothing can harm you outside the Earth realm. It's impossible, unless you believe otherwise. Just be aware of deceptions. Things are never what they appear to be. You must compose yourself. It's very important that you do. If you react too emotionally, you'll be pulled back into the body. Then, simply will yourself to any destination, and you'll teleport instantly. No floating, unlike OBs. When you're skilled enough, you won't need to transition from the zombie world. You'll do it instantly, teleporting to another world just as your character falls asleep. Your emotional state and beliefs shape your experiences and what you encounter.
Always remember, your focus determines your reality.
I'll replay the scene from the TV show Dark Matter I shared in my last video. While it downplays the role of emotions in shaping your reality, it shows the seriousness of it decently enough.